course, today I'm going to teach you how to make a sock ball. You will need 2 socks for a small ball or 3 socks for a medium-sized ball, okay? So ask your parents to find some socks for you and come with me because I want to find mine. Let's go! Let me see where can I find a pair of socks here at home. Maybe I should take a look in my bedroom. Look! I found it! Let me see if it's clean. Oh my god, what a headache! I'm a little bit dizzy. It smells like a wet dog! I think it's better to take a new sock. Let's try it again. It smells like flour. I think we can go now. So let's start to make our sock ball. I will make a ball with 2 socks, but you can try it with 3. First thing that you are going to do is to put 1 sock on the top of the other, okay? Then you will start to rolling the sock from the part of the toes until the end of the hole. And to finish, you will take the middle sock right here. Can you see, guys? Put your fingers inside, all the fingers except the toes. Leave the toes, because you are going to use the toes to push the sock inside of the big hole. We got our sock ball. Did you like the sock ball? So be ready because on my next video I'm going to show you some games to play with it. Bye bye, see ya!